Welcome back, dear viewers. Let's discuss about the forms that we use in the patent filing process. The first form is Form 1, which is for application for grant of patent. The sections and rules for this form are Section 7, 54 and 135 and the rule is 21. This form is used to officially apply for a patent grant in India. It details about the applicant, inventor, and invention, along with the necessary declarations and attachments. So the first point you have to write is applicant's reference ID number. This number is assigned by the Patent Office and it is for internal identification. Then we have type of application. You have to pick the relevant category, like are you filing an ordinary application? Are you filing convention application? C. Convention application is it claims priority from the patent filed in another convention country. Or are you filing a PCT national phase application? Like you have entered India through international PCT application. Then you have the patent prosecution highway. This is filed under expedited route. Then we have a category for divisional application, which is for the split of an earlier patent application. Then we have patent of addition, which is applied for improvements or modifications of an existing patent. So, these are the types of applications you have to tick whichever application you are applying for. Then, under Section 3, the first part that the applicant details. You have to include your name, gender, nationality, age, write the address, contact details, and email ID. Email ID is a must because it has to be verified via OTP. You will get all the informations through this email ID. Then, under Section 3B you have to categorize yourself, that is, what type of applicant you are, whether you are a natural person, you have to take any one of these. You are a small entity, you are a startup, educational, institution or other than a natural person. Then the fourth column is about the inventors or the inventor if it is a single inventor. State if the inventors or inventor are the same as the applicants. So if they are not same, that is if no, provide inventor's name, gender, nationality, address and all those details if the applicant is different. Then you have to give the title of the invention. It has to be concise and a descriptive title. Then you have to give the details about the authorized registered patent agent if you are filing your application through a patent agent. If not, then you need not give these details. You have to give the address for service in India. You have to provide a valid postal and email address in India for all the official communications. Then if applicable, like from 8 to 11, you have to see if these points are applicable to you. If it is a convention application, then you are claiming priority from another country. In that scenario, you have to give the name of the country, the application number, filing date, applicant's name, title, and the IPC classification. The ninth point is if you are entering through PCT national phase application, then you have to mention the international application number and international filing date. Like if you are applying for a divisional application, then if divided from an earlier application, provide original application number and original filing date. And if you are applying for a patent of addition, it is an improvement or modification right from the previous patent, then you have to give the main application number and date of filing of the main application. Then 12th column is the declarations. It contains three types of declarations, one by the inventor to confirm that they are the true and the first inventors and that they have assigned rights to the applicant. Then the second declaration is by the applicant in convention country. This is to confirm that the Indian applicant is their assigning or legal representative. Then we have the declaration by the applicants. The applicants declare that they possess the invention and the complete or provisional specification is filed. Necessary permissions for biological materials, if used, will be obtained. No lawful objection exists and priority or PCT claims are correct in case if it is having any PCT or priority claims, then the invention is either original, divided, or an improvement. All these are declared by the applicant. Then the 13th column is about attachment with the application. Usually we have Form 2. Then we have the priority documents, then Form 3, Form 5, power of attorney, if it is filed through patent agent, otherwise it is not required. Then any other supporting documents such as translations, sequence listing, or any other thing which is required for the application should be submitted along with the attachment for application. And then you finally declare that whatever details you have given us, proof and you request that the patent be granted. In case you are filing it physically, then you should address it to the Controller of Patents and the addresses of the Patent Office in your location according to your jurisdiction. So this was for Form 1. That's all for this session. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with everyone you know. Also, forward this video to your friends who might need this information. Let's build a generation that's not afraid of diving into the world of IP.